Welcome to this video of my course. So it has been couple of hours and we have not heard anything from Fiverr support and we have to wait until we do not receive the reply. Nowadays they have kept the limit of replying as 12 hours. So I cannot write them a reminder until the 12 hours have passed. So we have to wait. It has been almost 5 hours now and our gig status has been updated, and the status is this that our gig need modification, and I don't know what type of modifications are required. I cannot see anything here, but here they have mentioned that I have to log out, and when I will re-log in, a pop-up will appear that will show us that what type of modifications are required. I have logged out and now I am logging in. And still you can see here that it has not shown us anything that what type of modification is required. So let's go to our emails inbox and see what they have sent for us there. So here you can see it's the first notification that when our request was generated, and here you can see that Franklin has replied us that our issue has been forwarded to concerned department, and then this email I think came after the review. So let's open it and see what modifications are required. They have just asked to do the modification, which is just I think baseless, and this last email came in the follow up of Franklin, who forwarded our request to concerned department, and now he has mentioned that we need to modify our gig. Let's see what we can edit and what modifications we can do in our gig. This is serious advice, as in this type of cases, if you will not describe your case with solid reasons, then they will not take long and they can suspend your account permanently without giving you any second chance or any right to appeal. So here is nothing that I can do, but just to make sure for them that we have done modifications, I can remove this section of my gig title. More that I can do, but just to make sure for them that we have done modification, and I can remove the second part of my gig title and I can replace it with by doing video SEO. And to be honest, there was no need to ask for modification because I have already mentioned that what I am offering and what will be my method to complete this order. So to make sure that we have modified our gig, I have changed the title and I am also changing the form of verb with some words in description, and I can just add an attractive thumbnail as an addition. So I have done all the required modifications and presented the gig again for review, and here is the worst part that you will never want to happen to your gig. The gigs that have been modified are supposed to be reviewed in 30 days, and if we do not hear anything from support team for 30 days, then we can send them a reminder. So the next step that I am going to take is 100% from my experience, and I will write them an email explaining that there was not enough to modify and still I have done it, and I will also mention that I have clearly mentioned already that what I am offering and how I am going to do. So let's write them all stuff in an email. So this is what I have mentioned, and you can see that I have clearly mentioned that I want this message to reach the guy or the gig reviewing authority, and I let them know in very soft way that what they have asked was not needed at all. And here you can see our message has been sent successfully, and now we have to wait for their reply. The another main reason for writing this email was this, that if I have not done any mistake, why they are going to keep me in queue for 30 days, and why I have to wait for 30 days for that thing which wasn't necessary at all. So for now we have nothing else other than waiting, as it has been 5 hours again, and now you can see the status of our gig has been changed successfully, and it is showing that our gig is active and is also showing in search results. So let's see that how effective my SEO method has been, and for this I have to search my main keyword, which was YouTube channel growth in Fiverr. Search from here, and then I will try to find out that on which page my gig has landed. So you can see it has landed. Oh yes, it has landed on the beginning of this third page. And that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next video.